Hi guys, keep sending me questions, right? Your personal what ifs, and if the what if interests me, I'll make a video. Otherwise, I'll say there's a video. I've done that already, so nothing new. But there is something new. I've made a video. I have to think. There's VirtualBox, there is QEMU, there is VMware, and I did it in VirtualBox. I've made an installation of the ArcoLinux AA, so the ArcoLinux installation with XFCE, and I made some choices, right? In this case, ButterFS, and XFCE is there. LightYM greets me, and the question of the person is: can we have ArcoLinux Logout on our system? And I answered, what if it would be Windows? You go download an executable or an MSI and you run the thing, right? It's installed. Is there any difference if it's an ArcoLinux thing? You go to the same thing. You go for github.com or seedhost or Codeberg to a repos. Where is the application? Let's have a look. On GitHub, ArcoLinux repositories 327 and counting, right? Repo. Then I have to think where did we put it, right? Third party is somebody else, so that's the AOR packages. Repo, that's from us, our hard work. And this is for the package building, so the ISO. So we don't want to see this in a list, so hence they're separate. And if we ever play around, we test. These are very old, but the lots of wallpapers in there. And this actually we don't work. We should just delete here. But our thing is here. These are all applications you can download, and people, I've made some videos, right? I do think there's already videos about this. Not sure, but the title will be, right, just download and install. Basically, scroll ArcoLinux Logout, know the name, and there will be maybe some dependencies. That's why I want to try it out. So the dev is we develop something, we try something, and the logout git is the signing. I don't need the signing, I need the ZST. So the executable in Windows, MSI, and ZST or tar package, tar ZST, but in short, ZST. That's one I need, and I just download it. Yep, you just download it. And there's also, I like the themes very much, so logout themes, that's another one. Okay, download. Both of them are here. The Spices can go. So the Spices is an application that we've developed where you can get our repos in. So this is pure Arch. I see I've changed already to fish and changed the prompt there. But the thing is, what was I going to say, guys? What was I going to say? I don't know anymore. Anyway, we're gonna install that one. So the ArcoLinux downloads, where am I? Present working directory. Ooh, wrong place to be, right? Open terminal here. And can we install this? Sudo backman -u. You install something. ArcoLinux, no, not Spices. This is fish, by the way. Logout, now he knows. So this one, let's try that one first. Themes is just simple. ArcoLinux better lock screen. Yeah. So things will work. Why will things work here? Because update. Because we, nope, just one that can be, can work. Why will this work? Because we already installed the Spices, right? We have here Nemesis repo, even repo extra large, repo third party, repo. So all the packages that are from us are accessible. So if you're on pure Arch, the fun starts. Right? If you're on pure Arch, you don't have all our packages. That will probably result in lots of issues. So a sudo nano etc backman.conf Oh, it's not my password. All right, close window. Let's do that again. Oh, aha, my password was capital letters. That's true, that's not correct. Sudo nano etc pacman.conf, small letters. But still an issue there. That's working. So for some reason, it doesn't like my passwords. So you log out. Log out. Go back in. 10 minutes left to unlock. So if you do too much logouts, too much attempts to log in, to type in your root, it's gonna say, hey, you hacker. Safety first, I guess. Okay. So I was saying that if we do sudo nano etc pacman.conf, right, and we log in, we are going to, voila, restrict ourselves to anything but Arch. Then we'll run in issues for sure. So I think we need as well all the other packages. X, yes, enter. Update. We're back on pure Arch, and this is pure Arch updates. All right, then what if we go in here and try to install it? It will ask for dependencies that we don't have, right? It's not there. Okay, let's see what happens. The themes is an easy guy. Why? Because it's just themes. So that's easily done and installed. Sorry, password first. Yeah, it has a dependency. Of course, right? You need to have the application if you want to use the themes. Eric. So sudo pacman -u ArcoLinux Logout, but this time the git. Let's see what we get. The following packages cannot resolve better lock screen git, the dependency off, cannot resolve ArcoLinux better lock screen, the dependency off. Do you want to skip for this upgrade? Yes. Nothing to do. Now better lock screen, do we have yay? Is yay installed? Unknown command, is paru installed? Paru is installed. Okay, we have something. We need to have an AOR helper to install better lock screen. Paru. Well, I was thinking there's another approach. Maybe that's a longer one. Oh my god, somebody put our system on the AOR. Who did this, right? ArcoLinux better lock screen. It's on there. I didn't do that. I certainly didn't do that. Quit. Yes, proceed. All right, let's try to reinstall that. Now we have the ArcoLinux better lock screen. Don't tell me it's also on AOR. Don't tell me. No, I don't think so. Better lock screen. ArcoLinux better lock screen. So why is it still asking that? Because of the name? Git? Possible. Cannot resolve ArcoLinux better lock screen. Git, right? Because of the Git. Might be. Now I'm wondering, ArcoLinux, what else is on AOR, right? Oh, Paru. What else is there? Okay, what's this? I never made this. ArcoLinux beta log screen. ArcoLinux Logout. Oh my god. Oh my god. I am so amazed. That's Linux for you. Mac is in use. Yeah, because this guy is doing its job. No. Now it's finished. So we don't need to download anything. It's all on the AOR. Oh my god, I'm so surprised. How about the theme? How about the theme? Well, first of all, test it, right? ArcoLinux Logout. Oh, don't tell me it's possible. No themes. Okay, cancel. Then we can still do the themes. The following package cannot be upgraded due to unresolvable dependencies. ArcoLinux themes kit. I'm thinking if I can change the package build. Cannot resolve ArcoLinux Logout kit. Dependency of ArcoLinux Logout themes. Because Paru doesn't provide that, right? The themes, no themes. So that's not on AOR. Cannot resolve ArcoLinux Logout Git. So I've made the dependency in the themes to have this one, but officially it's not Git, it's ArcoLinux Logout. So basically, guys, on the AOR, it is coming from Git, and one of the conventions is that you write Git behind it. If you would do that, right, things would improve. But can we do something about it now? Cache, Paru, clone, ArcoLinux Logout, right? What if I tell it it's actually called ArcoLinux Logout Git? Can we do that? Why not? Now, first we need to get rid of it again, because otherwise it will clash, right? So remove ArcoLinux. You see, these what ifs are so, wow. My brain is so happy now. So get out. I'll build my own with a new name. So this one can go. Delete. Delete. The package build is now called Git. I could call it anything, right? But Git is enough for the dependency. And we're gonna create a Git. Why would it be so easy, right? Why? So not gonna be that easy. Come on, brain, some more fun. So this is okay, but we have to tell that the package name underscore package name equals ArcoLinux Logout, and everywhere where I find the word package name, control find, I have to do, that's okay, not everywhere. Here I have to say underscore, and here I have to say underscore, and there I have to say underscore, and that's it. Save, build. So I got myself an ArcoLinux Logout Git rather than Logout. So Mac is not installed, that's fine, we can install it here. So ls sudo pacman -u ArcoLinux Logout Git. Yep, the second line, that one. Okay, tar zst. So I install now ArcoLinux Logout Git, and the other one has the dependency ArcoLinux Logout Git. So now the themes get installed. ArcoLinux Logout themes could not be found, but that's because we are in the wrong folder, in the download folder. Ctrl H, download folder, here it is, right? So be in the correct folder, of course, and then arrow. Yep, that's good. And it's installed. Super X is not going to work because these key bindings, we don't have these key bindings here. So either you go, well, not here, I guess. We have the whisker menu that we use. So we'll just ArcoLinux Logout like this. And now the themes are available. And one of the things I really like is my handiwork. Save settings. So I've really drawn these icons myself. Cancel logout with a tablet for my son. So voila, it is possible. It only requires, as usual, some knowledge. All right, cheers. PS to the AOR maintainer, why not call it /-git there, and then things are easier. Bye.